Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Exercise 5.3 question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? So here AP is given 9, 17, 25 etc. Sum also given 636. You have to find out the number of terms. The AP is 9, 17, 25 etc. A equal to 9. D equal to 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. Sn equal to 636. We can start with the Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 636 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. 636 into 2 equal to n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. This divided by 2 is taken to left side. It became into 2. Then n into 2 into 9. It is 18. This bracket we removed. N into 8. It is 8n. Minus 1 into 8. It is minus 8. 1272 equal to n into 10 plus 8n. This 18 minus 8. It is 10. 10 plus 8n. Now we can remove this bracket. 1272 equal to 10n plus 8n square. Now we can take this 1272 also to right side. 10n plus 8n square minus 1272 equal to 0. We can write it in the order. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equal to 0. If we want, we can divide it throughout by 2. We get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. This part is optional. If you want, you can divide it by 2. Otherwise, we can proceed with the same equation. Now we can find out the n by using the quadratic formula for it. First, we can find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to 5 square minus 4 into minus 636 because a equal to 4, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 636. That is equal to 25 plus 10,176, that is equal to 10,201. Now we can find out what is n. n equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 10,201 whole divided by 2 into 4. That is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 101 by 8. Root of 10,201 is 101. 2 into 4 is 8. Now we can write it by splitting. n equal to minus 5 plus 101 by 8 or n equal to minus 5 minus 101 by 8. This part you no need to consider because the answer will be negative. We can do the first part. That is equal to 96 by 8 equal to 12. So we got n equal to 12. So there are 12 terms of the AP to give a sum of 636. Question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. First term A is given, it is 5. Last term AN or L, it is given, it is 45. Sum Sn is given 400. We have to find out the number of terms, that is n, and common difference, that is d. Given a equal to 5, n equal to 45, Sn equal to 400. We have Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is 400 equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45. This by 2 we can take to left side. 5 and 45 we can add. We get 400 into 2 equal to n into 50. 800 equal to 50n. Let us change the sides. We get 50n equal to 800. n equal to 800 divided by 50. So we get n equal to 60. We have to find out the common difference d also. To find out the common difference, let us use this idea an equal to 45. We have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 45 equal to 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d. an is 45. A is 5. n is 16. So 45 equal to 5 plus 15d. 16 minus 1, that is 15. So let us change the sides. We get 5 plus 15d equal to 45. 15d equal to 45 minus 5. That is 15d equal to 40. d equal to 40 divided by 50. We can cancel it by using 5. We get d equal to 8 by 3. Therefore, number of terms n equal to 16 and common difference d equal to 8 by 3. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? First term is 17, that is a equal to 17. Last term is 350, that is an or L equal to 350. Common difference, that is d equal to 9. How many terms are there? n, we need to find out n. And what is their sum? We need to find out Sn also. So we can write the given things. Given a equal to 17, an equal to 350, d equal to 9. We can start with the an. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 350 equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. Change the sides. 17 plus n minus 1 into 9 equal to 350. n minus 1 into 9 equal to 350 minus 17. Plus 17 is taken to right side. n minus 1 into 9 equal to 333. n minus 1 equal to 333 divided by 9. This into 9 is taken to right side. That is n minus 1 equal to 37. n equal to 37 plus 1. That is n equal to 38. So we got a number of terms equal to 38. Now we have to find out the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is equal to 38 by 2 into 17 plus 350. n is 38. a is given here 17. an is given here 350. So that is equal to 19 into 367. That is equal to 6973. So the sum is 6973. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Here given n equal to 22, d equal to 7. 22nd term, that means A22 equal to 149. Given d equal to 7, n equal to 22, A22 equal to 149, we can start with A22. We know A22 equal to A plus 21d, that is 149 equal to A plus 21 into 7, that is 149 equal to A plus 147. Change the sides. We get a plus 147 equal to 149. A equal to 149 minus 147. That is a equal to 2. So we go to the value of a, that is 2. Question is find the sum of first 22 terms. So we need to find out the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 plus 149. N equal to 22, a equal to 2, an equal to 149. So that is equal to 11 into 151, that is equal to 1661. Therefore, the sum of first 22 terms is 1661. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.